Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope everybody is good and living the happy and safe life in the situation of COVID-19. Today I will explain with you how to unbox this one. This is the box, is online order, and inside of this box have bonsai plant, and this plant name is Chow Chakaphat name of this bonsai plant. You can see also there have the written in Thai language, and last time I will show you very well. That person where to I was take order, and this one is sent very well. You can see have the address and where is came. You can see also this is the place for came here, and that person they are packed very well. Also they are give the direction how to keep in the car when have to deliver one place to another place. This is the arrow for show how to keep in the car like this, not like this, have to keep like this. How to open this box I will explain, and then after you can see the some experience how to open and can know when in the future you want to open the any online order box can open. First of all I use the cutter. This is the cutter, very cheap and very best because can buy in only 20 baht, and then this one is knife is very shiny like this. You can see this cutter knife. One thing, this one is the very shiny, and how long you want to open like this. It's long, that can open very well and can move on very well. So in this box, first of all can see what have inside and can know about the idea to open. You can see upside there have the two parts to open. First part this side and second part this side to open. This one and this one is already fixed very well. This is the cartoon to fix. And second thing, when you will open, first of all you open from to here, this side where they are use the tape, and you must care about your cutter. You can open only small, and then after you can cut only tape. Don't cut the more inside because you don't know how they are fixed very well. Pack the item, and then after you can cut another side, same thing like that. Then after you can see where to they are use the tape. That thing you have to open. Don't cut the cartoon like this. You can cut this. This is the first time I open, already packaged, and I'm unboxed now. Second thing, they are packaged this side. You can see they are packaged very well, not yet open. And this one I will open front of you. You can see just is you use like this, and then after you can open. You must care when you open. Don't touch to your body because this is dangerous also. Then after slowly you can move out this one. Then after you can slowly you can open like this because down side have also package, but on no problem. Then after you can open from this side, and then after you can take out like this. After that this one is already open like this, and this side also already open like this. After that what can do, you can open this one. Then after you very easy to open like this, and then after you can try to open down side, and then after you can open this one very easy. And then after you can move upside, and then after you can see your product what have inside. Then after you can catch, because in this one there was so the arrow also have to keep like this. Then after you can move out from this one, and then after take out what how many packets have. You can see they are used the plastic bag also, and inside they was used what they was used. You can see this is the newspaper, is the bin newspaper, and then after this box is empty, don't have anything in this box. So this is the technique for pack and safety to arrive until who is bought with this item. Okay, then after this one is already open. Also this side is open. You can see nothing have inside. So this one can keep very well. If anybody can buy from to me, I can send also. So this one can keep, and I try to keep also. This one is bin, but safety to arrive one place to another place. So this one keep again same thing like this. I can package also like this, because if anybody can buy from me, I can send again. Just you can move this one and then after cancel. So this one is already empty. Already show you now have everything and send. Throw it. Now this is my product what I bought from the online order. Now you can see how to open this one. This plastic bag. First of all, you can move out that they are mud wire, and this one you can move out like this plastic, because you must have to take care on this plant, because they also show the arrow direction, have to keep like this. This plastic is new, so you can use for another work, so keep it. And next thing, inside have the package also. So how to open, you can see here. That is doesn't matter how they are packaged. Just you can see about the tape where to have installed, and this side is not tape. You can see this area is not tape, have only in the between the tape, this one, and upside. And there have the written also the something you can see in this one. There have the written, I think they are written the price. Try to see here. There have the written the price, and this is the number plate, and you can see what have the written. You can read the Thai language. I don't know Thai language. And this one is keep it here. And upside no have anything. Just you can use your cutter, a small cutter, in the between of the package, and then after you can open from here. The between same thing. I try to show you from here. You can open like this, and just you can open only little bit with your cutter, and then after you try to cut the only tape like this, and then after you try to cut very well until the end of the point, and then after you try to move like this. I already cut. Then after what can do, upside no problem. Upside when you will move like this, automatic will move with you. And then after you have somewhere mistake to not opening, you can use the cutter also. Like suppose that upside there have they are packaged 2-3 times the tape. So what can do there, you can use the cutter, that your small cutter. After that what can do, you can cut slowly around of this one like this. Where is the package 2-3 times, that one 2-3 times tape they are covered. So that one is the very strong. You must use your cutter like this around of the upside, because inside of this box have some plant, and then after is already open like this. Then after what can do, this one is already open, you can see. And after that you can see from to here down side also you can try to open. You can catch the down side and try to open like this, and after that you already saw the plant. What plant is this is already open, but you must have to move this carton like this. Move out. After that you can see that this plant, what plant is this? Okay, this one is nothing happen, so throw it. And after that I try to show you about another best thing of this one. You cut it, and then after you can move it also, because if you not move very well, means you don't know what material they are put inside of the root of this plant. So you try to move this one, and then after you must have to move everything from this one. You cut very well, because dangerous also got cut. And then after when you move, you after that what can do, I already cut this one. Now you can move around of this one, around of this pot like this, because I have to care on the plant also. You must have to care when you will cut the plant, not cut plant, cut the unbox, because carefully to cut the tape, because if you not carefully means a steam will cut off the plant. And this plant they are packed very well, so sometimes difficult to open. And because this one is the long, and if not carefully to cut means a steam will broke and not have any profit to online order. So be carefully to open, because this in this video you are learning how to open. You just around of this one you can cut like this, like this, like this, like this, and then after you can move out, because there is a lot of tape, so sometimes difficult. After that this one is moved from to here, and then after you can see all area is already moved out to this one tape. And now they have to use the tissue paper. You can see they were using the tissue paper. This tissue paper, for move this tissue paper, you slowly move out, because they was use the water also inside, so not so hard. Move like this. And after that downside have a lot of tissue paper. They are put the water also, for give water of the natural thing. No water means no life, like this. And then after inside of this one tissue they have the water also. You can see, I try to show you, I think you can see. Okay, you can see have the water. They are used the water because until arrive the delivery place can have life of this plant. Now I show you about Chow Chakaphan plant bonsai, and you can see there have the 4 leaves in this one. 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4 leaves is like this. When this plant will grow up very well, I will record again. And now it need a lot of the soil and good material for growth up very well, because not growth up very well means cannot have the value. So how to grow, you have to must give the good food for plants. Food means materials of plant, like that soil, like that urea, like that some good material for plant to give water, and then after this plant will grow up very well. Thank you for watching this video and know about experience how to open how to unbox the online order. See you again in another video with another plant, and until for that things, best of luck, take care, bye bye. If you are new person for watching this video, please you can subscribe, and if you are old person, you are a new person also, you can share with your friend. New person, please you can like, comment what plant do you want, you have which types of video do you want, you can write in the comment. If you have any types of question, you can write in the comment related of the plant. And then please, if you are a new person, you can subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Have a good day, best of luck, take care, bye bye. See you again in another video.